everyone, here's a quick way to use AI to your advantage. Go into the new Magic Write feature of Canva. If you have Canva, here's an example. You could also do this with ChatGPT, but go ahead and give it a prompt of what you want to learn or make maybe some tips about. So I just put in 10 ways to become a better dancer. So hopefully it shoots back 10 tips for that. Then after it spits back an answer, I'm going to take all of those answers and I am going to copy and paste them into a new Google Doc, and then I will download it as a CSV file. Now heading back over to Canva, I'm just going to search for like a quote post or something like that. I'm going to delete that little part. And then if you go to the left and hit apps, it will be there, or bulk create. You can click on that. You can either enter in data, copy and paste it manually, or you can import from a CSV, which is what I'm going to do because we just downloaded that document. Then once you attach it to something like a text box, and to do that, you will right click on the text box and then hit connect data. You'll want to resize it so obviously it fits. I know some are longer than others, but you can always manually change this later. The idea is though, you want to hit continue and then hit generate pages for all of the items that were checked or just the ones that you want. And if you go to the slideshow zoom, now you can see that you have 10 different slides, all with a different tip that were auto-generated with AI. I hope this helps out your content creation. Follow me for more tips.